It's too hot out there, so make sure you drink your water and stay hydrated. It is very important to stay hydrated, guys. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to the super chill unboxing setup, and today we've got the Poco M4 5G over here. Now this is the most affordable 5G phone over here in India, and Poco has done a very good job with this smartphone, especially in terms of 5G. 5G rollout in India should begin by the end of the year, and if you are looking to buy a 5G smartphone in the budget category, then this one is a good option out there. But anyway, let's quickly go ahead and unbox the Poco M4 5G in our super chill way. Alright, so we've got the yellow box over here, Poco M4 5G, and on the back we have some specifications written. First up, it comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, and it does support dual 5G as well, which means both the SIM cards will support 5G. Then it comes with a 90Hz Full HD Plus smart display. This is an LCD panel. It has a 50 megapixel AI camera and a 5000 mAh battery with support for 18 watt fast charging. I've got the power black color over here with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, first up we have a little sleeve over here which says Poco on the top. If we flip it around, we have the SIM card ejector tool, then we have some paperwork, which is always boring, and finally we have a clear transparent case. So it's good to see that Poco is still providing you with a case in the budget series as well. Some other brands have started removing things from the box, but Poco is giving you all the things inside the box. Now next up is the smartphone itself. I am going to keep it aside for a moment and we'll see what else do we get inside the box. Apart from that, we have the 22.5 watt adapter inside the box. Now the phone supports 18 watt fast charging, but inside the box you get a 22.5 watt adapter. So please make a note of that. Finally, you have a USB Type-C cable. So that's about it for the box contents. Let me quickly keep everything inside and we'll get back to the smartphone. It's now time for my favorite part, that is removing the plastic. Alright, here we go. Next up is the IMEI sticker. And done. Wow, this smartphone looks amazing in terms of design. It does not look like a budget smartphone at all. It looks like a premium smartphone, and I'm really happy with the design. Like, Poco has done a good job, especially with the camera module over here. You get two cameras, the Poco branding is minimal, and this black color is looking awesome. Now by the looks of it, it has a plastic back panel, not a glass back panel. So yeah, please make a note of that. And even the frame is plastic because it does not have any antenna bands. I also want to try out the case. The case fits on pretty snugly, no issues with the case whatsoever. It is now time to set up the smartphone. It comes with MIUI 13 out of the box, and I've been told that this time around it is Android 12. That is a good sign. Time to set up the fingerprint sensor. It has a physical fingerprint sensor on the power button over here, and let's go ahead and set it up. And done. It is now asking me for all these permissions. Location, nope. Send usage and diagnostic data, nope. Personalize ads, nope. Turn off. Glance for me, nope. User experience program, nope. Setup is complete and loading apps. This thing takes forever in Android, loading apps. It's super annoying. Now while the apps are loading, let me quickly tell you about the cameras on the back over here. So it has a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So basically you get only one camera, the other camera is kind of useless. It does not come with an ultra wide angle camera, and frankly that is kind of disappointing. I would have loved to see an ultra wide angle camera over here, because then this smartphone would be really good. Anyway, the apps have been loaded. Let's quickly go into settings and check the Android version. So we'll go to about phone, Android version, and yes, it is Android 12 out of the box. So a job well done to the Poco team. Android 12 out of the box, this is how it should be. Now if we talk about the display over here, this is an LCD panel which comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. We'll go into settings and display, and then when we scroll down to refresh rate, by default it is at 60 Hz, so you will have to go into settings and turn on 90 Hz. I would definitely recommend you to go ahead and do that, because 90 Hz makes everything smoother. So when you're scrolling and swiping around, everything is buttery smooth. If you talk about the bloatware scenario, you do get some pre-installed applications like Moj, Zilly, and all these useless applications. You can go ahead and uninstall these applications, but yeah, you do get some bloatware with this smartphone. Alright, let's quickly go ahead and take some photos with the rear camera and the front camera as well. The front camera is an 8 megapixel one. Alright, let's take a photo of the box, maybe one of the planter. some selfies. And let's review the photos. As far as my initial impressions go, the photos are turning out to be good from this 50 megapixel camera. Shadows and highlights are exposed in a good way, the photos are detailed and the colors are natural too. So yeah, my initial impressions are positive about this 50 megapixel rear camera. I have just one complaint, that the ultra wide angle camera is missing. As far as selfies go, selfies also look good. The skin tones are natural and the photos are detailed as well. So yeah, no issues with the selfie camera either. If we talk about what lies under the hood, the POCO M4 5G comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. This is a 5G processor which is based on the 7nm process. Along with that, you get a couple of options: 4GB or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, along with 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh and you also get 18 watt fast charging. Now this phone will cost you 13,000 rupees. You can also get some bank offer like 2,000 rupees off with an SBI card. That will bring down the price to 11,000 rupees. For 11,000 rupees, I'm going to say this is a pretty solid 5G smartphone. So if you're looking for a 5G specific smartphone, then you can definitely go ahead and buy this one because it's affordable and comes with some really awesome specifications. The Dimensity 700 over here is a very good processor for the price point. It performs really well, and as far as my initial impressions go, I have not noticed any hiccups whatsoever. It is looking like a smooth smartphone. All in all, I'm going to say for a budget 5G smartphone, this one is looking very good out there. Now I am going to be giving away one of these smartphones to one lucky viewer out there. That giveaway is happening on Instagram, so make sure you go ahead and follow me over there. I will drop a link to my Instagram page in the description box below. But anyway, that's been it. This was my very quick unboxing and impressions of the POCO M4 5G. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.